Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of NFTs and how they can help you monetize and make serious money by selling your real-life products on an NFT marketplace. If you're ready to level up your hustle and secure that bag, this one's for you. All right, let's break it down. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. I know it sounds a bit technical, but trust me, it's easier to understand than you might think. NFTs are like digital certificates of ownership for your real life. Picture this: you've got some killer fashion designs, custom artwork, or even handmade crafts that you want to sell to a global audience. With NFTs, you can transform those physical products into unique digital assets that can be bought, sold, and owned by others. But here's where it gets interesting. NFTs allow you to monetize your products in ways you never imagined. By attaching metadata to your NFT, you can deliver additional value to the buyer, like exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or even virtual experiences. Now, let's talk about the process. You'll need a crypto wallet to get started. Think of it as your digital bank account, but without the traditional banks. It's where you store your digital assets, including your NFTs. With your crypto wallet in hand, you're ready to hit the NFT marketplace. It's like a digital bazaar where you can showcase and sell your products. Buyers from around the world can discover, bid, and purchase your NFTs, giving you the opportunity to reach a massive audience. The best part: once you create an NFT for your product, you retain ownership and control. You can set the terms, pricing, and even earn royalties whenever your NFT is sold or traded. So, whether you're a fashion designer, an artist, or a creator with a passion for real-life products, NFTs offer a whole new world of possibilities for monetization. It's time to turn your hustle into a thriving business on the NFT. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. We're here to help you dominate the digital market and make coins with your real-life products.